Hey guys, yeah, happy bonfire night. I got a new prime squishy. It's over here. I need to do this video quick because my iPad battery is very low. And I also got a new cat. It's right here. What should we name him? Put it down in the comments below. And also, this is the burger I was eating. It can also turn into some pizza. Hey guys, today we're going to be making some tomato and mushroom pizza.